Greetings everybody, hope this video finds you well. We're going to be reviewing this French press coffee maker if you're looking to upgrade, whether it's for your kitchen or if you want to take it on the road or camping. Hopefully this video can help you out. I'm going to put a link in the description below for this specific model if you're interested and if you like it. But basically, here it is right out of the box. Beautiful. It is obviously stainless steel. They claim that it's double insulated, keeping things nice and warm. Now, you cannot put this on the stovetop directly. I learned that. Small drawback, slight drawback, but not a deal breaker for me. It's got this quadruple filtration system, and whatever that means, it means that there's no grains of coffee that are going to be in your coffee after you press it down. That's what the claim is. Of course, you have to buy coarse ground coffee for that to hold true. If you have very finely ground coffee, you're going to be probably unpleasantly surprised. Now, so here it is right out of the box. And just to give you a visual tour here of what it looks like, it is an absolutely beautiful French press coffee maker. I mean, look at that. Everything is shiny and really classy looking, I think. So I'm going to actually be taking this camping with me. You're going to get to see it in action. But of course, whatever I do here, you're able to use that in whatever your specific context is. Now here it is just kind of dry fitting. I'm just checking to make sure everything seems to be working okay. There's no dents or obvious blemishes, and that everything fits really well. That filtration system lines up against the edge of the canister there. There is no room for those coffee grains to squeeze by. So the idea here is that you press that down. Now this thing rotates so you can pour or close the pour. And of course you have your plug here that moves the filter up and down. Pretty simple concept. And there we go. Just push it slowly down. If you do it too fast, they claim that things can spill up over the side. So that I found was a good pace. Now this specific French press machine also comes with a little stainless steel travel container for coffee grounds, which I thought was a nice little feature. It's basically a glass jar with a stainless steel kind of wrap around it, and it doesn't hold too much, but again, it was a very nice gesture. Now this is the coarse coffee ground that I'm using, and I'm actually taking this camping, so this is the first time using it. I'll put a link in the description below for the specific coffee too. I read the reviews on the coffee and people love it, and we gave it a try and we actually loved it too. So I've got some boiling water here. Again, you cannot boil water directly on this French press coffee maker, so you got to boil it. Slight drawback, like I said earlier, but you got to boil it on a different thing, and then you just basically pour that hot water, not boiling, but maybe 205 degrees, just before the boiling point they claim is the optimal temperature. And of course you let it sit for several minutes. We let it sit for about at least 4 minutes, maybe 6, maybe 7, not an exact science here. And like you saw earlier, you just push that filter down and voila, you have really good coffee, I assure you. We were very, very happy with it. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Highly recommended little French press coffee maker. So thanks so much. For more do-it-yourself jobs and real home product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.